Literacy. I want to talk about my love for bananas and how much I love to put them in smoothies with some peanut butter and some almond milk, and then you blend it up together and it's something delicious and so good. But other than that, I also need to tell you guys a few facts about bananas. We're going to start counting them on my hands, these 5 fingers on my hands. Funny enough, we're talking about hands. The cluster of bananas is called a hand, and each banana is called a finger. Now, the second fact is the scientific name of a banana is translated to the fruit of the wise people. And the third one, I would say a banana is chock full of potassium, really good for you. And the fourth one is, did you know that bananas are so old that they were found in Egyptian hieroglyphs? You believe that? And the fifth one is my favorite one. Banana is botanically a berry, meaning that it doesn't have any stones or pits on the inside. So my question for you guys, is it true in the cartoons? Can you really slip on a banana peel?
Hi, my name is Eric, and one of my favorite snacks to make are banana chews. I love bananas because you can use them for almost anything. You can bake them, you can cook with them, you can eat with them. It's a very simple snack to make. All you need are bananas and a lemon. You take your banana, you peel your banana. But first, let's sanitize our hands. And with a butter knife, you can just slice your banana like this. After you slice your banana, all you need is a little bit of lemon juice. And from there, you can place your banana on a baking tray and place it in an oven at a low temperature for 2 hours. And then you'll have banana chews. What are some other things you like to make with bananas?
Hi, I'm Aurora and I coordinate the Healthy Communities Project. I'm also involved with Team Reading Lounge at the library. There are many ways we can add to our health and wellness naturally. I enjoy making creams, moisturizers, and conditioners for my hair and skin. The reason why I enjoy this is because I appreciate the challenge of creating things that are tailored to me and work for me. Lately, I've been excited about making deep conditioners for my hair. This deep conditioner has banana, egg, olive oil, canned coconut milk, and honey in it. I apply it to my clean, damp hair from root to tip, cover my hair with a conditioning cap, shower cap, even a plastic bag will work. I leave it in my hair for an hour before rinsing it out with warm water because warm water won't cook the egg that's in the conditioner. I recently cut my hair to improve its health, and so I'm excited about this because it left my hair feeling and looking soft and moisturized. Now, which parts of you could use some extra special care this week? Thank you for joining us. We wish you happy cooking and happy creating.